Hi everybody, it's John the Payne. Doing a project update video. We did baseline videos months and months ago, February, March. No reason to look at those. They just show that these 4 projects, there was absolutely no results in AI or LLM. Only one project had SERP results, but we ran RB Agent until May 30th, and we've had great results, but I haven't touched any of these since May 30th. So I wanted to see if the results are sticking. Here's an incognito tab, first project. Who is the handsomest dog in Raleigh? So the baseline we had, Ada is. At the baseline, the results were all Kennel Club dog show winners, and there was also a couple of articles in the local newspaper about a fireman's dog, and just anyway, Ada was not on there at all. Here's Ada, the handsomest dog in Raleigh. There's her website. Here's an AMDB video. Here's a YouTube video. There's a website. It's got a couple of pages there. Medium, that's from running RankBridge that posts those. Here's another video. IMDb, YouTube, some more mediums. Let's see, Facebook got me knocked out of there. Ada. So we've got all but one and a couple of videos they beat me out on. And we haven't touched this. We haven't touched RankBridge or Entity Ranker or Dominator, Embedinator, any of the Pete softwares. Basically, and during the SEO season, I run the exact same workflow that Pete does. If you want to see what that is, go to Discord, and in the Ask Pete, he was asked, what's your best practices? And he goes through and he just runs it all down and types it all out. Basically RankBridge and then Entity Ranker, makes some videos, has everything indexed, make some bolt websites, and that's exactly what I do. And if you want a shortcut to that, go to the support bot, and he has put a link, and you can just go ahead and boom, and there's how you do it. There's a couple of videos and transcripts that people have posted in the Discord of what I do, but basically what I do is what Pete does, so I don't know why anybody would need that. Next project, who provides parking lot painting in Raleigh, North Carolina? Apologize for the slowness. My little laptop is just not cutting it. Oh, look at that. For those in Raleigh, NC, looking for parking lot, Raleigh Parking Lot Painting LLC. That is us, and there's a link to our website. That's us there. That's us. That's our big competitor. We have a new competitor that's annoying me. Angie, there we are again. Who does organic mosquito control? Raleigh. Organic Mosquito LLC. Number 1. There we are again. Orkin. I've never checked Orkin to see how much they spend a month on SEO. I assume it's a national chain. Um, Here's organic mosquito control. Look at that. We got all kinds of results there. A bunch of the pages. Mosquito. I did check Mosquito Authority. Last year they averaged $10,000 a month in SEO. Jensen, Thumbtack. So, um, yeah. So we're number one to LLMs. Of course, that was nowhere before RankBridge. In the SERPs, we were number one and have been for a long time. So organic mosquito control in the 3-pack is number one. We've slipped under natural mosquito control a little bit. Natural mosquito control Raleigh way down to 5. I think I'm going to have to run Dominator and get that back up. That's where that is. Let's go back and see what the regular SERPs are. So we're number one for a lot of these. We've slipped a little bit in some of these, but as you can see, if you're looking for mosquito control, we're going to be number one more likely than not. Okay, let's try organic lawn care Raleigh. Carolina organic lawns. Now we're way down here. That is not an issue because this is a company we closed 10 years ago. And I just ran RB Agent on it a couple of times just to be thorn in the side of some of my ex-competitors. Some of these guys are really nice guys, and some aren't so nice. So I thought I'd throw this in here, and there we are. So that's not an issue. So if you all were wondering how we're doing in the 3-pack, Al does me a solid and he runs our parking lot painting project through some software of his. I forget what it's called. But there's the results. Number one, I think that's about 300 square miles. Raleigh in the center here. And yeah, we're killing it. We're just doing what Pete suggests, what Al suggests, ideas that we get off of the Discord. Anybody wants to know how to do this? Okay, I've been doing this for 20 years, but I get most of my ideas from Pete and Al. So there you have it. The system is indeed sticky. We're having great results with AI results and with SERP results. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.